doing well. Today we're putting the Meguiar Scratch Eraser Kit to the test. I've got a pretty noticeable scratch on this 2012 Chevy Tahoe, and by the end of this video we'll find out if this kit can actually remove it or if it's just another product making big promises. And if you're new to the channel, I only have one rule. If you learned something today, subscribe before you leave. Here's the scratch we're working with. It's definitely noticeable, and honestly I'm not sure how much improvement we can expect. Inside the kit, you get a drill-mounted buffing pad, Meguiar Scratch X compound, and a microfiber towel. I'll leave links to everything in the description. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. Because this pad is small, it concentrates a lot of correction into a small area. That's great for removing scratches, but it also means you need to be careful. If you leave the pad in one spot too long, you can build heat and potentially damage the paint. Meguiar specifically recommends using this kit on a clean, cool surface and keeping the pad moving at all times. I've already washed and clayed this area, so we're ready to see what this kit can do. Here's our starting point. Take a good look at the scratch. I applied the Scratch X compound to the pad in an X pattern, spread it across the area, and now I'm making several passes at medium drill speed while keeping the pad moving. I'm also using light pressure, basically just the weight of the drill. After the first round, I can still see the scratch, but it's already looking noticeably better. Let's do another pass and see if we can improve it even more. For this upper section, the included pad is actually a little larger than I'd like. If I were doing this professionally, I'd probably use a smaller pad, but for this test I'm sticking with what's included in the kit. I just want to make sure I keep it flat on the panel so I'm not hitting the edge of the paint too hard. Again, medium speed, light pressure, and keeping the pad moving to avoid building too much heat. Alright, let's wipe it down and check the results. Honestly, that's a pretty significant improvement. Can I still find the scratch if I look closely? Yes. But from a normal viewing distance, it's dramatically less noticeable than what it was when we started. For me, this is about an 8 out of 10 result. The scratch isn't completely gone, but the improvement is obvious, especially considering how simple this kit is to use. Now let's put the before and after shots on the screen so you can judge for yourself. The last thing I want to mention is that I would likely polish and protect the paint after using this kit. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.